What's up? Parking brake set.
Parking brake set.
Cabin doors and windows closed and locked.
Windows and doors closed and locked.
Flight controls free and correct.
Free and correct.
Flight instruments, radio set.
Radios set. Flight instruments.
Ground seat staff. Got center in.
Keep an eye on this D for the trip. Alright.
Fuel selector on both.
Fuel selector on both.
Elevator trim set for takeoff.
Set for take.
Throttle is 1700.
1700. Okay.
Check instruments.
Everything looks good. Everything's in the green.
Pressure's good. Oil temp's coming up.
Alright.
Ammeter's good. Magnetos.
Magneto check. Okay, so we got bolt. We're on bolt. Then we're going to go 1, 2 to the right. 100 RPM drop. Back to bolt. And the left. Also 100, about 100. Back to bolt.
Alright, carb heat check.
Repeat. Is good.
Alright. Ammeter, we're just above zero.
Okay.
Positive. Suction gauge, 4.6 to 5.4.
Right on 5.
Alright. Mixture set as required.
Yep.
Throttle to 1,000.
About 1,000.
Got the friction lock where you want it?
Yeah.
Alright, parking brake release.
Parking brake off.
And we're going to pre-takeoff. Do a normal.
Yep, we'll do normal. No flaps.
Alright, flaps are up. Airspeed.
Oh, I got my little briefing sheet right here. So, for normal takeoff, we are going to rotate at 65 miles per hour. With no flaps. And we're going to climb out at 91 miles per hour.
Roger that. And the whole engine on the ground thing, right?
What's that?
We both know that.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Alright. Pre-takeoff brief is complete.
Yes. Oh, and if anything does go wrong, I'm going to give you the plane. You'll fly it. I'll try and do the restart checklist.
Good. Alright, strobe lights on.
Strobes on.
Landing light.
Landing light on.
Transponders to altitude. Mixture is set. Doors and windows are latched. Takeoff time.
Call it 9:14 or 10:14, I should
yeah.
say.
Alright, we're on the climb.
Okie dokie. Nope. Start this bad boy.
Does it need to, is it already with this?
No, I gotta pair it real quick. Yeah. Click on the map. Go up. Huh. It's not going. Or it's not showing up anyway. It'll be working. It's working fine. It shows it is. If I do, setting. Display position. It's still, no, it's going. Well, it'll just, time. Bluetooth's on there. Yep. Range. We'll just keep an eye on it.
At least we have the sectionals.
Yeah. Okay. Ready to taxi out there?
Yeah, how do I get back to the check?
Oh, checklist on the side here. Right here, the check mark. And then this one. And then just on the top you can, let me see, I can't even. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, just keep going to there until you get to take off.
Alright. Ardmore Downtown traffic, Cessna 2885 Quebec. Taking runway 17 for a southeast departure, Ardmore Downtown.
Okay. Final look clear. Final looks clear.
Final's clear, runway's clear. What altitude are we going to? Trapper 95?
That should work.
Okay. 1717. Airspeed's alive.
Oh.
Let it go. Let it go. Take it off. There you go. Alright, so climb checklist. Power set. Set. Trim set.
Trim is set.
Landing light off.
Landing light is off.
Heading indicator set.
Set.
Oh, I've been hit. Done. Done.
No. Yeah.
Done. Done. Continue. And next for the cruise. Ardmore Downtown traffic, Cessna 285 Quebec, departing southeast at this time. Scene of view, Ardmore Downtown.
Flight level 230, American 2335.
You do want flight following, right?
What's that?
You do want flight following,
Sure.
right?
Yeah.
And it's SLR?
What's that? SLR, yep. KSLR.
Forward Center, Cessna 2885 Quebec, just off 1 Fox 0, 2,500 for 9,500 with request.
I'm sorry, Mr. Call phone. What was the call sign?
Call sign was 2885 Quebec.
November 2885 Quebec, Forward Center, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Would like flight following to Sierra Lima Romeo.
November 2885 Quebec, Roger, squawk 2206, same type aircraft.
2206, Charlie 172. Sulphur Springs traffic, Cessna 2885 Quebec. 2,500, approximately 2 miles northwest of the field. We'll do a right base for a full stop. Sulphur Springs. I've got no traffic. want to start working in flaps.
Yep.
May get them?
Yeah, hang on, we're not in the white arc yet. Repeat.
Sulphur Springs traffic, Cessna 2885 Quebec, it's 172 on a 2-mile final, runway 19, full stop, Sulphur Springs.
Alright, 70 knots on final.
70 knots on final.
I got the first notch in there.
Alright,
You can go ahead and throw another one in, yeah.
Going to 20 degrees. 20 degrees flaps. Going, we're high.
Yep.
30 degrees. And flaps are full.
Alright, there's our final approach speed, 70. Oh. Likes this.
Cessna just landed Sulphur Springs. This is Unicom.
Unicom, Cessna 85 Quebec. Hello.
Hello, I was just, Fort Worth Center just called and said they were talking to you and lost you on radio, so I'll check you out here.
Roger that. Yeah, we got to a point where we couldn't hear him anymore. So we tried calling him and let him know we could cancel.
Roger that, we'll take care of it.
Appreciate it. All right, after landing. Flaps up.
Flaps up. Heartbeat cold.
Flaps are up.
Heartbeat's cold. Landing light is off. Strobes
Transponder
off.
1200 and high.
Oh, and I'll go ahead and turn the strobes off. We got a beat. Okay. After landing complete.
Good.
All right. So where are we gonna go?
I do not know. We're parking. We down there by them plane?
85 Quebec Center's happy. Everybody's in good mood this morning.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. Where are you, Unicom? We'll come talk to you for a while.
Well, just keep looking out your right window there a little bit. See the green roof building up there ahead of you?
Affirmative.
That's the main ramp. We're in here.
Roger that. Be there shortly.
If you need fuel, the self-service pump is right there where that green Saratoga just pulled out.
Roger. I think we're grabbing on the way out. I'm hungry.
Me too. Got here perfect time too. It's 11:30. Good lunchtime.
Alright, so petrol's there.
Got it.
Got one taxi in.
Yep. Which one's he coming out?
There's only one entry.
Oh, yeah, there is.
Stopping.
Okay. Try and make it quick.
Sulphur Springs traffic, Cessna 885 Quebec.
On the main parking ramp. Sulphur Springs. Put that part in there. Over there.
Sulphur Springs traffic,
to the moon.
Stanza 36 Kilo Tango, taxiing to 19 for takeoff.
Put it on that parking space. Pocket into the wind.
Sulphur Springs traffic, Scott 5178 uniform is about 6 miles to the east, just transitioning to the west. I'm at 3,500.
Alright, shut down.
The rudder straight here. There we go. Okay.
Throttle to 1,000.
Throttle 1,000.
Avionics off.
Avionics off.